Okay guys, so today I've got a very interesting video for you. So, maybe a couple days ago, my time at least, I was tasked with replacing the battery in my dad's phone. Now, it's not a simple task to replace a battery in an iPhone, so I'm going to show you how I did it. But in this video, I was really close to breaking my dad's phone. Sorry, could you say that again, sir? Silent talker. This is the second time already that I've been interrupted. But anyway, let's get along with this video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And please make sure to subscribe so that I can at least feel a little bit better for doing what I did to my dad's phone. Anyway, continue. So the first stage is just turning off the phone. That's pretty essential, and I now have to unscrew the bolts at the very back of the phone where the power cable is. This part was a bit of time consuming, as well as the part where I try to open up the phone. This took me around like maybe 15 minutes, but I finally got it open, so I was like, alright, I'm in the phone. It couldn't get any worse from here. I start doing what I've read on the YouTube video and unhook all the connectors to the screen. At the time, I didn't realize that I could actually move the screen away because I thought there was still some sort of connection between the screen and the back of the phone. Now that I know how to do it this time, I actually feel kind of annoyed that I didn't move the phone screen because it was such a horrendous bugger. Now, I may have poked a hole in the battery. That was a bit traumatizing. The annoying thing about this phone is that the substance on the back that keeps the battery together stayed on, and I've looked at videos on how to remove that, and they always told me to do what I just did, and it didn't work. I try and scrape off all the material. And this is where things go kind of wrong. You see, as I am scraping away this material, this annoying substance, probably the reason why my dad's phone isn't in the best condition is this. Well, it gets bad, but we'll talk about it later on why that's bad. Now that I do not have currently on me any substance that can stick the new battery together, which actually I did, I had it literally on my left side, but I didn't even notice. I put the battery back in using some duct tape. Then I begin to connect everything together. I connect the battery, and then eventually I start connecting the screen together as well. This is the part where everything goes wrong. I thought that everything was fine as soon as I turned on the phone, but then I realized that the power button did not work. Why? I have no idea. And then later on, I check back, I look underneath the battery, and there it is. The connection to the power button is a little strip, and it connects to all the things like the audio buttons. This is bad because now my dad has a phone that no longer has a functioning power button or audio button. Kind of screwed that cable up by scraping it, as you can see in this video. Now, the one thing that I'm questioning is why they decided to put this power strip underneath the battery, where people are probably going to be scraping just to get that stuff off and inevitably screw over the phone. I don't know why that was a position to put it, but it clearly was not a good one, and I'm guessing that's probably why there's more newer versions of phones. I then eventually went onto my dad's phone, and then I turned on this assist function. It allows you to have the functions of any button that you set to use if your home button no longer works or if your power button no longer works. Now, the power button isn't actually such a big deal. Now, it is an annoyance because it means that it's not as simple as turning the phone off anymore. You have to go for a bunch of settings just to do that. At least, it wasn't the home button. The home button's probably worse, in my opinion. I think the home button's probably a little bit more annoying. But yeah, at least next time, as soon as I fix a phone, I know the knots of fixing a phone. Do not do what I did in this video. This video is a warning to all of you. The reason I uploaded this video is to make sure that none of you make the same mistakes as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when my next video comes out. Anyway, thank you guys, and goodbye.